So, a veteran wrestler has told you that you are playing pro wrestling. What does that mean? I'm Mike Quackenbush. This is Till We Make It, and I happen to be here at the Wrestle Factory for a virtual class that we're offering up. And right as we were going off the air, a last question came in right as we ended the stream. Someone was asking this question. When a veteran wrestler critiques you that you are playing pro wrestler, what does that mean? And I think it could mean one of three possible things. What are those? I'm going to tell you right now. Number one. So I happen to think that if you're offered the criticism of you are playing pro wrestler by a veteran, what they are most likely calling out is that something they see as an indispensable aspect of being a professional wrestler is not currently present in your work. So, for example, someone who places exceptionally high value on having a great cosmetic physique might observe someone who does not yet have a great cosmetic physique and say, oh, you are playing pro wrestler. You're not really doing the job right, is what they mean, because in their mind, they place high value on a great cosmetic physique. But they could value any number of things. If in their mind, being a professional wrestler means you've got to have a tan and you don't, they might respond by saying, oh, you are playing pro wrestler. But this is subjective. It comes down to who is offering this criticism and what do they value. And it is in no way, shape, or form an objective critique. It is subjective to that person's opinion. Number two, it's also possible that what they are offering you as a critique is that you do not fully inhabit your character. Not unlike when a kid is playing pretend. Might get together with friends and decide, well, I'm Batman and you're going to play Superman and you're going to be the Flash, and we are playing rather than fully inhabiting the character. So there might be something about your character work that is worth reevaluating. Does it seem as if you fully inhabit the character? Does the body language seem true to the character you are saying to the audience that you are? Do you speak in a voice authentic to the character that you represent to the audience that you are? So take a look at each bit of your character work, focusing on vocalizations, body language, and facial expressions to make sure they match up perfectly with the kind of character you are saying that you are, so that you can fully inhabit the character, not just pretend to be that character. Lastly, it is possible that they feel you do not maintain the illusion of conflict, that there's something about the way that you sell in the ring or deliver your offense that looks so inauthentic, it looks so bogus that it ruins the illusion of conflict. The work has got to be tight, and it's got to be precise, and it's got to look realistic to the paying customers. In those instances, when those conditions are not satisfied, it could appear like two kids play wrestling. So you may need to tighten up certain details of your physical mechanics to make sure that you maintain the illusion of conflict, and at no point do your matches look like two kids play wrestling in the backyard. I hope this information was useful to you no matter where you're at in your journey as a professional wrestler. You know we deliver great content of this type all the time, right here on the Till We Make It channel, and I would love it if you'd consider subscribing, like this video, drop a comment down below, and if I like your comment, you will know I will give it the thumbs up.